Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Grills and Chills. Check it out. We're gonna be doing something that, hey, you might like, might not like. But check it out. We got pig feet here. We got some turkey necks. We finna do what I call Louisiana boil. You know, you might call it something else, but in Louisiana, back in Hammond, in my days, we used to boil pig feet, turkey necks, corn, and potatoes. So, hey, let's get it. So, check it, guys. Let's go ahead and get our turkey necks in. Go ahead and get our pig feet in. Of course, as you can see, I'm adding it to a pot of fresh cold water. Hey, we gonna get this on the stove, y'all. I set my temperature on my stove to high, just so I can go ahead and bring it up to a boil right fast. And now we gonna add our veg in, which is onion, celery, and bell pepper. So check it, guys. Don't forget thumbs up, thumbs down. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and hey, leave me a comment down below, y'all. Alright, guys, time to make it rain on. So of course we starting off with a little kosher salt, some fresh pepper, some cayenne pepper. You know I like my cayenne, y'all. And of course we gotta come in with that Tony Chachery. Oh yeah, I need some more. I'm out, y'all. I'm out. But anyway, let's come on in with this bay leaf. Get that in the mix. After about an hour of cooking with those seasonings and everything, it's time to add our taters. You know, these are mini red potatoes, so you know, we don't want them to cook too long. We only probably got about 30 minutes left, y'all. So check it, y'all. This is something that I normally don't do. This a can of corn. Normally what you're gonna do is you use corn on the cob and just boil it yourself. Or you can grill it, which is my favorite method, and then add it to the boil. But hey, we doing what we gotta do right now. But anyway, let's get it. So let's go and get our corn in. We adding 2 cans. That corn is gonna take on that flavor of those seasonings and those bay leaves and everything. Hey, it's gonna be some good corn, y'all. Oh yeah, it's smelling good in here right now, y'all. So check it. After about 2 hours total cooking time, that's what we got. Pig feet done broke down, they ready to go. Our turkey necks broke down, they ready to go. And guess what? I'm ready to eat. So let me go ahead and make this plate. Give me some of this corn. I don't want too much of that juice though. Give me a neck, turkey neck. Oh, I got a neck and a foot. Well, that was a good dip. Give me one of these footses. Give me a couple of these potatoes, y'all.
Oh yeah, I'm getting ready to eat good, y'all. Get ready to eat good.
Hey, this I finished this. Hey, I got me a biscuit. I got my pig feet, my turkey necks, and my potatoes, y'all. Hey, these red potatoes too. They just the mini version, y'all. The mini version. Hey, I'll tell you. Try it. You never know. You might like it. But anyway, y'all. Love, peace, and hey, keep it grilling, y'all. See you.